If you have a legal question you'd like to have answered, call us right now. Phone lines are open, 436-1212. We have Charley O'Hara in the studio here today. Charley, again, we continue to discuss officer-involved shootings. And a lot of people want to talk about police departments lacking transparency and not releasing video. But they could have a very good reason for not releasing it in the first couple of days after it happened. What would that reason be?
Well, I mean, there's witnesses that see what happened. And what we want the witnesses to do is be accurate about what happened. Now, if you're sitting home watching TV and you can see a video of exactly what happened, if you're the kind of person that wants to make up the fact that you were there and go testify, or there's witnesses around that really didn't see what happened, and they see TV and they go in and they say they expound on what they didn't really see, it could really make the investigation a bad situation. However, I think that's initially when they interview the witnesses. Once they interview the witnesses, I cannot see any reason that it shouldn't be released to the public, a video or an audio or whatever evidence they have. So we're the public. We want to know what happened. We don't want people shot for no reason, but we don't want people claiming they were shot for no reason when there's really a reason. And interesting, we've seen cases before in Kansas here where they've released still photos of something, but also recently in California, this latest officer-involved shooting where the police department released a still photo of something that happened. Is that comparable to releasing the full video, or can you even tell anything of what happened or intent? Is that not being transparent as well? Well, I suppose it's better than releasing nothing.
Right.
But at some stage, I mean, I understand the still video for a short period when they interview the witnesses. Once the witnesses are interviewed, let's put the video out so everybody can see it. We can judge it. We vote for our leaders. We should at least be able to see a video of what happened in today's technology, so we can make our own judgment.
Interesting, in North Carolina, they have recently passed a rule that's going into effect this Saturday, October 1st, actually, coming up in a couple days, that videos like that are no dashboard camera, body camera video for police officers no longer a part of public record. So it's entirely up to law enforcement's discretion on whether or not to release that, and you can appeal that. Does that seem a little questionable, or is that do you think people could sue the police departments to get those out?
Well, I suppose it depends on the case, because I mean, sometimes they'll use them in divorce cases and different things like that where we don't want them. But in a police-involved shooting, I mean, I think in today's society it ought to be out there so we can all see it. It'd probably be better for everybody, really.
All right. Thanks so much, Charley. Appreciate you being here. We'll be right back after this.